Welcome to our Puglia Cooking Vacation. We're standing here in Lecce, which is one of the most important cities in the south of Italy. It's rich in culture and history. I'm Rosemary, by the way.
And I'm Claire.
And together, we are co-founders of
Authentic Food Quest.
We created these immersive cooking vacations to help you connect deeply to a place through food, culture, and unforgettable experiences.
In Puglia, you'll stay at a historic, charming masseria that is full of character, overlooking the town, where you'll learn to settle at the receiving of a church bell and relaxed space of southern Italy.
You'll cook alongside a local chef and learn to make pasta with an Italian nonna. You will master recipes like orecchiette, pasticciotto, and even learn how to make fresh local cheese.
We'll visit farmers' markets, taste olive oil produced by family-run businesses, and explore the native wines of Puglia, such as the Amaro or Primitivo.
And when we're not cooking, we'll wander through the historic streets like this one, like here in Lecce. We'll sail along the coast and enjoy the beauty of Puglia from the water, and we will also experience the traditions that make Puglia so special.
This is not just a cooking vacation.
It's about connection, it's about culture, and it's about experiencing Puglia from the inside out.
If this sounds like your kind of adventure,
Would love to have you join us.
reserve your spot at the table at authenticfoodquest.com
Or click the link below this video, and we'll see you in Puglia.